what should we do when Ramadan approaches?
The first thing we should do is we should thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for making us witness this blessed month of Ramadan once again. And we have to thank Him for His mercy, and we have to ask forgiveness in this month so that all our previous sins will be forgiven. And we have to thank Him for all the ni'amat He has given us, all the blessings, all the love. This is the best month. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 185, it says, شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان. Which means that Ramadan is the month in which the Quran was revealed as a guidance for mankind and signs for guidance and judgment between right and wrong. And Allah further says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 183, Allah says, Ya ayyuhal lazina amanu, O you who believe, kutiba alaykum as-siyam, kama kutiba ala lazina min qablikum, la'allakum tattaqun. O you who believe, fasting was prescribed to you as it was prescribed to people who came before you, so that you may learn self-restraint. The word used here is tattaqun, similar to taqwa, so that you learn God consciousness, so that you learn piety, so that you learn righteousness. So this is the month in which a person can become more righteous. This is the time when our taqwa can be the highest. And this is a month, it is an annual training. It is a sort of an overhauling of the body. How we have that every machinery requires some sort of servicing, maybe every 3 months, maybe every year. And if you allow me to call the human beings as the best machinery in the world, doesn't it require a servicing or overhauling? So Ramadan is an annual overhauling of the human body. It is a spiritual and moral training for the human being. And it is a purification of the body, mind, and soul. This is the month where we can increase our taqwa. We can increase our patience. And we can derive the benefits and the guidance from the Quran.
Subhanallah. Jazakallah khair.